So listen, you guys, right now my dad and my mother-in-law is at our house right now, and we're about to get them with a prank, you guys. I'm about to do a broke my back prank. So I got 2 noodles right here, and I'm gonna like ask my dad or somebody to crack my back, and then I'm gonna crunch the noodles, and the sound that it makes, like it literally sounds like you broke something. So that's they're outside right now. So as soon as they come in the house, we're about to get them with the prank. Let's go.
Oh, you something else.
But man, she don't know how to crack. Yeah, you don't know how to crack a back. You guys don't know how to crack a back. She don't know what she's doing.
Because it's a big back. You got a big back.
Who cracking your back?
Alon, she don't know what she's doing.
LaWanda crack mine. Not cracking, but she trying. Well, your back need cracking?
Yeah.
What happened, man?
I don't know.
Crack his back, babe.
Come on. You know do it?
He be doing mine. Oh!
You alright?
Oh, I heard that.
I heard it too.
Oh my God.
You alright, Steph?
Yeah.
Lay down. Just lay down. Oh my
I
God.
heard that too. You alright? On your side.
Yeah.
Lay on your side.
Oh my God.
What's that, man? Stand up, Steph.
No, he can't. Lay him down.
Y'all heard that?
Let me see.
No, let him sit.
No, we good. We good. We good.
You did it on purpose, man. How did it make that noise though? How did it make that noise though?
It's because he put something in his mouth.
Oh, that was in your mouth? Man, I heard that go. I was like, what the hell happened to my boy?
But they were so cold. Scandalous.
You wrong for that.
You are sick. I didn't even trip.
I didn't even look at the
I
camera.
saw her eyes come this way. I was like, oh, she caught
He
it.
talking about.
Because he stood right here and let you crack his back.
But look, what was funny was this. Was I already heard that in your mouth, right? I heard it go, oh, what the hell? What happened to my son, right?
It's noodles.
He wrong for that. He gonna put us on blast, man.
Noodles.
Hey, I never got them. We never got them. They said they wanted to see our side of the family. You know what I'm saying? So we had to get you on a prank though.
I don't like this.
Oh my God.
Sound crazy, huh?
Yes.
We are back on the pranks. That's starting out 2020, what? 2022. We're back on the blog, y'all. Slajfamily gang.
I mean,